In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, just like I can't, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Then hit while using the app or only this time. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop talking or tap on the same microphone icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!